Come in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. NBC.
Ang pagsisikap ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina, good guidance at hard work. Sumako ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gyera! If you pray, you will be discouraged. Try again, and challenge is an opportunity. Hindi ka maharap!
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. King of Philippine business.
Dragon. Hey, why Mabby Lee's Cumulos? And Ogwila, Amataz Lumipad. Hagi Sa Producto. Hagi Sa Servicio. Essential Mag Servicio. Aldo Sagawa Inn. Kabok Sabat Laban. B Guy, Hata Sa Economia. and Hari ng Negosyo. At an Hari ng Aeroplano. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the king of Philippine business with your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. and Celebrity special guest Joe Wow Constancia as Lucio Tam. And to discover the Ninongs live, meet, and greet with Lucio Tan for the first time, the business lesson and the blessings of good works. And Dragon at an Aguila Part 2 studying Henry C's Bolino SM Screen X and his Bell Corporation's businesses and the best meetup of Denver Castro and Lucio Tan and the Denver's discoveries of Lucio Tan's businesses simulcast on Ninong TV June 8th, 2026.
Mark Beats. Mark Beats. Mark Beats.
O sige kayo na pogi, basta sa'kin yung dating. Haha. Hey. O sige kayo na pogi, sige kayo na pogi, basta sa'kin yung dating. Sa'kin yung dating. Panis yung mga pogi, panis. Kahit pa napatsideng. O sige kayo na pogi, sige kayo na pogi, basta sa'kin yung dating. Sa'kin yung dating. Mga girls ako lodi, kasi Harris in the game. Harris in the game. Yes,
O bukod sa may mall siya, pero pwede na rin pala maging online na sa mga cellphone natin. Shop, dine, and enjoy all in one app. Download the SM Malls online app now and enhance your malling experience with digital and in all shopping. So yun po ang ibig sabihin ng SM Malls Online, na tayo ay magsha-shopping online, mamimili tayo online, pagkain, laruan, damit. Everything that we see is online. So kung bawa bumabagyo or tinatamad ka rin lumabas or masyadong mahal ang gas, ang SM kapit bahay nila, bakit tinamat ang ay pumunta? Enjoy only regular employees of the accredited member companies within the SM group of companies are eligible for membership. Savings and Loan Associations Incorporated to promote the virtue of saving amongst employees and to provide financial assistance at very low cost. So ayun po pala ang ibig sabihin ng ating SLA. Ang SLA dito po tayo pwede makapag-loan, dito tayo pwede makahanap ng mas marami pang servisyo na hanap natin pagdating sa loan, service, ng business, it can be financial, insurance, na sa isang empleyado, syempre, sa paningin ni Tito Henry, hindi lang naman po kayo basta-basta employee. Tayo po ay espesyal sa ating puso. Dahil dito sa SLA, bahagi ng kanyang kinita at ng mga C-family ay ipapahiram at ipapamamigay para sa lahat ng mga empleyado na nangangarap at patuloy pumunta sa pwedeng ng araw. Diba?
Large screen cinema, almost 30% larger than the regular cinema. So for the first episode na mati-discover po natin dito ay ang tungkol po sa kanya EX Laser Projection Cinema na Tito Henry. Check it out. 3. WM Cinema of your Tito Henry. As being part of Play It Forward, we are educating you the largest cinema exhibits in the country. WM Cinema of your Tito Henry. As being part of Play It Forward, we are educating you the videography, the
o panis ka.
Hi, this is Christian, your RE buddy from NTV Corporations. Now it's another business lesson to talks here in the Henry C, the King of Philippine Business, to learn his useness as part of his 100 plus of businesses. Always remember the greet word. That stands for greet, recognize, encourage more, and thank now comes with new ways. Greet is .visible and attentive, .greet friendly and audible, .greeting, recognize, .starts a conversation, .ask follow-up question, .understanding customers, .needs, encourage offers, .items features and benefits, .handling objections. Encourage more, with upsell cross, sell and offer promos, and thank for, final recommendations, thank the customer, invite back. And also always remember the POGA services that we can feel INSM Supermalls, the products and services IS the POGI that stands for people order great items. Now we will have is the Balino clothings of SM Supermalls. Balino is a clothing business sells at SM stored under by SM retail discovering the great items for office attire, sleepwear and jackets for internal and external wearings. SM Screen X is the next one. This cinema associates with the SM Lifestyle Entertainment Center to produce cinema in 3D bigger screen and to feel its simulator watching style. And the Bell Corporations is a kind of office workers to produce business plans and development good for resorts and play area and dining and extension shopping centers under by SM group of companies. Here at SM, we're not selling the ugly products and services, we sell the best products and services from the POGI and the great. We can still feel the scenes of Mr. Henry C. By visiting and encouraging his SM Supermalls. And it's a forever to remember. Now we will have a special slide from Lucio Tan, one of the living legend Philippine businessman and been partner with Henry C. on his SM Supermalls for products and services. Lucio Tan is the owner of Philippine Airlines. Also the PNB Bank or Philippine National Bank. He also owns some malls, office workers and beverages and the PNB Alliance. Life insurance. Thanks be to God, and now we will begin our business doctrines. Please watch US. Take down notes. And subscribe Ninong TV. And now we will have our host of this vlogging to learn the business doctrines and lessons of SM Supermalls. We will have Mr. Denver Castro.
What's up all of you? This is your Denver Ninong Castro. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. Yeah. Another rolling of video vlog na ating matutunghayan dito sa ating video vlog content department. Meron ng NTV Corporation, the Hennessy, the King of Philippine Business, na itong ating video vlog pagtalakay ay under na naman na simulator dahil nandito na naman tayo sa live to live pinakagwapong mall ng Tito Henry at talagang wala na atang mas kagwapo ang Mall of Asia SM MOA. We're live here taping once again para sa isa na ng mga business pagtalakay na meron ng inyong Tito Henry. So once again presented to ng ating Hennessy, the King of Philippine Business video vlog content na makakasama din natin dito ang of course your very own SMU vlog special, the simulator, and of course meron din tayo ditong plane vlogs, aeroplano, magle-lesson tayo ng airplane at alliance to all of you. PNB, kung alam ko ng connected nito, may PNB tapos may aeroplano. So ano nga bang very connected dito sa ating business pagtalakay dahil ngayon ito po yung pinaka part 2 ng ating business program that we do the part 1 here is in the last 2023 pa. So after 3 years na nagkakaroon tayo ng part 2 pagtalakay sa mga ito. At ito na nga, ang title ng tag natin for today is Ang Dragon at ang Agila Part 2. Okay, something interesting yung ating pag-aaralan. So, studying Henry C. Baleno, SM Screen X, and his Bell Corporation businesses. Panibagong businesses na naman to na ating ma-unlock sa kanyang 100 plus businesses. Kasi meron tayo dito nabanggit si Baleno. Parang bago lang yun sa ating pandinig. Parang nabanggit ko ba yun sa 100 plus? Check nyo nga sa notebook nyo. O, parang panibago na naman to, no? Baleno. Ay siya, my goodness. Tapos Bell Corporation. At ito pa, meron pa tayong bagong tatalakayin, yung SM Screen X. Screen X, ha? Oo. Ano bang meron dito sa mga ito? Oo. So, ito yung mga bago nating mga tutunghayan dito sa ating mga business pagtalakay. At syempre, hindi lang naman po yan dahil ang Dragon at ang Agila ang lesson natin. Diba, you know that the part 1, we have your Tito Henry and Mr. Lucio Tan in learning the Philippine Airlines. Very connected din po yan dito dahil after natin pag-aralan yung tatlong businesses na ma-unlock na natin sa wakas, sa wakas, patapos na ba? Marami pa ata itong nakapila eh. And the PWS meet up of Denver Castro and wow! Lucio Tan! Wow, nakita kami! Wow! And the Denver's discoveries of Lucio Tan's businesses. Ayan. So, hindi lang po yan na-discover, kundi na-discover din yung kanyang mga businesses true to life. Like the PNB, yung kanyang balyans, and then some of the properties na real discoveries ng Ninong Leong Fox dito. So, and magkakaroon tayo ng special guest because in the part 1, we do that with my very own Daddy Dennis as Lucio Tan. Ngayon naman, ang gaganap dito ay si celebrity Mr. Joao Constancia. Alright, so Joao Constancia as a celebrity guest for his action and service to connect for life and business like Lucio Tan. Okay, very interesting to mga agency ng SM para ma-discover natin ano pa bang merong sangkap dito sa SM mo na talagang ang daming niluto ng Tito Henry na hindi pa natin natitikman. Ngayon, unti-unti na natin matitikman itong mga to. So, once again, we have the Baleno, Screen X, and Bell Corporation. So, first of all, sa ating unang slide, meron tayo dito Baleno. So, ready nyo na yung mga notebook nyo, mga ballpen, no? I encourage, bumili na kayo ng bago. At marami-rami na naman tayong tatalakayin bago siguro matapos ang taon. Meron pa tayong natitirang 20 plus for on my checking sa aking notebook. Parang nagpapadagdag pa ata na hindi natin alam. Anyway, kasi yan yung mga habilin bago siya mawala, tayo iniisip dagdagan, serbisyuhan ang taong bayan at ekonomiya. Bago ako mawala man ako, at least yung legacy ko nandiyan pa rin, diba? So, what's all about Baleno? The SM Store is a clothing brand known for offering casual, versatile, and comfortable daily wear, often marked under SM Fashion. It is branded as a go-to for everyday essentials, combining polish enough for work, relax enough for everything after style. Okay, so yun ibig sabihin ng baleno niya. Mga office wear, pantulog, mga pangbahay, pang-casual. Like sabihin na natin yung mga ano ba yung mga pantulog like mga pajamas, t-shirts, sandals, underwears. And then yung mga pang-office like long sleeve, polo shirt. And yung mga slacks. So that is one of the example. And of course yung mga jacket. This summer pwede rin. Meron din summer attire ang baleno. So soon magagawan din natin yan ng simulator para ma-discover natin. So for the first slide, after all of our balitaktakan and introduction, dito muna po tayo kay Baleno and we will check it out some of his appeals. This is another rolling of video vlogs na ating matutunghayan. Check it out and watch.
This is Baleno, where be comfortable and be happy and be fashionable. Yeah.
Always remember wearing clothes represents who we are. Wear it nice and good and take care.
Just discover about Baleno and I hope nakapag-notes kayo and you can also have your screen record and picture. The screen picture and then screen record. Pagka screen record from the person to the end. So, PM nyo lang ako kasi meron po yung extra charge. But if you will only having a picture lang naman. Kasi ang benefits po kasi yan, kaya meron po siyang payment. So that pwede nyo siyang ma-repost, pwede nyo siyang panoorin without Wi-Fi or with Wi-Fi, and then you can also share it to your own social media platform. So, ganun po kabuti ang ating services na makapaglingkod tayo sa ating kalitan through God, na makapaglingkod tayo. No? You can buy my video blog and then spread natin para mag-spread yung education. I-post nyo sa inyong mga own social media account. Yeah, diba? Kaya nga, tinangkilik nyo yung vlog ko. So, that's the one. And for the next slide, after Baleno, it's time for cinema. Ayan, magsisine naman tayo after natin bumili at pag-check it out ng mga damit. Cinema naman tayo, diba? At ito, bago lang to sa aking pandinig at bago lang din sa ating pandinig as well. Ang SM Screen X, ano ba ibig sabihin nito? Kasi meron na tayo yung IMAX, meron yung Directors Club, SM Cinema, Walter Cinema, ano pa ba? Ano pa yung mga ano? Yun lang, no? Ito, pang-5 sa bagong sine. Meron pa yung ano, yung Laser and Film Cinema. Anim na pala to. Pang-anim na bagong cinema under by SM. At ito po yung kanyang SM Screen X. At SM Cinema is a 270-degree panoramic theater format that extends the main movie screen onto the side walls of the auditorium. It surrounds viewers with imaginary, creating a full immersive experience that makes them feel like they are inside the action. So yun palang ibig sabihin ng SM Screen X. Kumbaga parang manonood ka ng pelikula na nandun ka. Basically, pagka nanonood tayo ng movie sa isang sine, this is the big TV or the screen rather, diba? So somehow, mapipil natin yung 3D kapag magsusuot tayo ng salamin. Kumbaga, parang nahawakan mo na si bossing. Parang ganon. Eto naman, parang ganon na rin, pinagkaisa na hindi mo na kailangan magsuot ng salamin. Kasi yung kanyang yung screen ay pinahaba mula left and right at gitna as well. Pa-curve, parang pag ganun yung ma-experience yung palabas. So, parang yung mga pagka sumasakay tayo sa mga rides, di ba? Yung mga 3D simulator rides na ating nadidiscover. So, that's also the style na meron dito sa SM Screen X. Yung manonood tayo ng movie na wide. Talagang kaya mo tignan lahat eh. Kahit sino man sa inyo eh. Kahit yung malikit na ipis siguro makikita mo doon sa pelikula. So parang ganon. So pina-widening yung SM Screen X. So, talagang para ma-enjoy at ma-be the best ang ating panonood. Lahat mapapanood mo, lahat makikita mo. Diba? Wag lang mumu. Ay, nako. Pikit nyo na lang ang mata nyo kung may sumingit. Kasi ano yan wide isang wide siya. So makikita nyo lahat ng mga special scene ng itong pelikula. Alright, so for the next slide, we will have the SM Screen X Cinema.
cinema experience. Yee!
Cinema has been part of my SM Supermalls. For through the years, enjoy watching, and to spread good vibes and imaginations to all of us.
Okay, so we just discover once again the SM ScreenX at si Baleno. At ngayon papunta na tayo sa third business na meron ang inyong Tito Henry. The Bell Corporations. Ano ba tong Bell Corporations? Ito ba yung naririnig natin sa simbahan tuwing linggo? Oh, ito ba yung yung pagka-uwian na ng mga bata, ano? Pagka may order sa restaurant, ay iba pala yun. Ibang Bell naman yun. Bell Corporations ay isang prominent Philippine property development company that serves as the specialized gaming, mga laro, leisure, and tourism arm of the SM Group. Yan na bang meron dito? Meron dyan for business functions, integrated resorts, and gaming, leisure, property development, and lottery services. Tutulungan na tayo ni Tito Henry maging kagaya niya. May lottery services din pala siya dito. Pero just to inform you, hindi po sa kanya yung PCSO ha. Mamaya sabihin nyo kanya yun. Associates lang. Kumbaga, halimbawa, yung nakapapanood natin sa commercial, yung kay Vice Ganda, yung kay Bossing, yung mga pinapakita yung playtime, yung game, ano ba yun? Yung game color ba yun? Tapos yung kay Derek Ramsey, yung mga basta yung mga kung ano-anong pangalan ng mga gaming and then lottery. Diba ang umahawak dyan ay PCSO or Philippine Charity Statistics, na layunin maglaro ka, yes, pero napupunta rin naman yan sa taong bayan. So accepted ng PCSO itong Bell Corporation na mag-operate as well para legit at legal na yung ginagawa nating game ay hindi lang basta-basta game, but it also has moderation and responsibility, diba? So okay lang naman na meron tayong mga ganitong business. Generalize kasi yung iba sa atin, especially sa Christian kagaya ko, medyo sensitive kami sa mga ganito. But anyway, we truly understand naman and have a long patience and open-minded naman kami para sa mga ganitong bagay. Kasi part din pala ito ng business wala naman tayong magawa kasi iba-iba yung culture natin. Tayo lang naman tagapagsilbi sa kung anong gusto nila. Gusto mo yan, gusto nyo to, bili mo ko yan, ganyan. Yun yung i-offer natin. Hindi man natin yan aangkinin as sa atin, as personalized, pero in order na makatulong tayo at magkaroon pa rin tayo ng benta, diba? As long as ito naman legit at makakapasa sa market. Sa other religion institute, na-ooperate natin yung mga ganitong bagay. Kaya nga meron tinatawag na play responsibly. Pag sa alak, drink responsibly. Pag ikaw nalasing, pag ikaw nawala, ikaw bahala yan. Hindi namin sakop yan. Kaya, kailangan mag-ingat at magtipid. Diba? So, yun yung pinaka-lesson dyan. So, for the third slide, di-discover natin what's all about the Bell Corporation. Check it out.
more portions, the world's sports services and products to make it be the best and great service. Hooray!
This is your work and our time to shine. Let's work and serve the people and its economy.
Okay, na-discover na po natin yung tatlong businesses, no? We have the Baleno, SM ScreenX, and the Bell Corporation. Ngayon po, papunta na tayo sa exciting part. At ang next natin, dahil nga ang Dragon at ang Agila Part 2, we have your Tito Henry and your Tito Luciutan. At ang gaganap dyan ay ang ating celebrity special guest na si Joao Constancia. Alright, so he will be role as Mr. Luciutan in the connection of business and life. Diba? Usapang business, usapang buhay, or paano ba maging Luciutan? Kung sa inyo, tatanungin ko, paano ba maging si Luciutan or paano maging Tito Henry, kagaya ng ginagawa ng Tito nyo. We are portraying, we are showing is be the best service and reporting it, diba? Para ma-deliver sa taong bayan at ekonomiya at sa mga researchers at sa mga students, diba? Pinaperform natin, pinoportrait natin sa isang roleplay yung pwedeng maging connection, diba? Yung connection na tinatawag. So Joao Constancia, for his action and service to connect for business and life. Pero ako na muna ang magbabasa kung anong meron sa talambuhay ni Tito Lucio. Parang ano lang to, parang magpakailanman lang. Talambuhay, short lang naman, hindi naman super haba. Okay. About kay Luciutan. Alright. Is a Filipino billionaire. What? Again. Is a Filipino billionaire tycoon who controls a vast conglomerate primarily through LT Group. His major holdings include PAL or Philippine Airlines, PNP or Philippine National Bank, Tanduay Distillers, yan, special shoutout, yung mahilig magtagay dyan, and Asia Brewery, Fortune Tobacco, and Eaton Properties. Wow! But take note, may billionaire din pala ito si Tito Luciutan. Billionaire din pala ito. Wow, baka naman. Nakakahindik palahibo naman to si Tito Lucio natin. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta. Businessman na kilala natin, no? Aside from that, ngayon, discover nyo na. Kasi nung part 1, parang hindi na, ano ba natin to, na-tackle ba natin to si Lucio, no? Yung kanyang other affiliates. So, ngayon, sa mga GMC natin, kahit lang to napanood, take note, etong Philippine Airlines, dyan kayo sumasakay pag pupunta ng Hong Kong. Pag nagsi-Singapore kayo, hindi nyo alam sino may-ari. Ito, si Tito Luciutan nyo. May PNB. Sino may PNB Alliance? May bangko or may savings account yan. Ito po yung may-ari natin. Ito, yung mga tito ko na mahilig magtagay. Mahilig mag-tobacco kumisan pang-painit. Nang init na nga, magpapainit pa. Pag malamig ang panahon, of course, ayan, mga gimmick time nyo, yung mga tobacco. Eaton Properties, yung mga pang-call center. I think this is kind of mall also. And then, meron din tong mga other commercial buildings, di ba? Eaton, kasi ni-research ko sa Google. Eaton Properties, yan. Especially yung mga call center dyan. Okay, Tito Lucio nyo po yan. Diba? So, yun po ang meron kay Mr. Luciutan. At ngayon, ibibigay ko na ang slide na to sa ating special guest na gaganap bilang si Luciutan, our Gen Z celebrity, Mr. Joao Constancia. Check it out.
Mas mahagin doon.
Di ba ito yung iniwas namin mangyari? This is the reason why the clock has turned back.
Pwede ba meron?
I don't want to do this, Nathan. So please. Please don't make this any harder than it should be.
May nice lang po sa kanya. Nice nga ako ha. Di ba, Iyo? Nice naman ako. Opo. Nice ka po eh. Kita mo na. Nice na. Tingin ko eh. Magkakasundo kami nitong classmate mo. Sige na. Uwi na ako. Film of the night. Look and you know. Sige. Bye.
Or at the beach. Nare-relax ako pag nandun ako eh.
Gusto mo sa bilog ng buwan?
Yep. There's something majestic dun sa ilog ng buwan eh. You should try it.
Ang alam ko, pag bilog ng buwan, lumalabas yung mundo.
Lumating sila yan.
Wala! Talaga? Hindi mo totoo?
Alam mo, sayang eh. Maaga pa. Kung gabi na, I can show you.
Ha? Hindi tayo pwedeng gabihin baka mag-alala si Lola.
Hindi some other time. Magawa natin yan.
Are you trying to go on a date na sa akin?
Hindi gusto eh. Gusto ko lang na ma-experience mo.
Talaga? So, are you trying to be romantic?
Sayang naman. Sayang?
Eh gusto ko siyang kamustahin sana eh.
Bakit naman?
Bakit? Bawal ba? Are you guys together? Pwede ko pang ligawan sa biyahe.
Ginaw? Why?
Sumukha na sa'yo namin.
Okay, you've just discovered the slides of Mr. Lucio Tan. And by the way, thank you po kay Sir Joao Constancia. Actually, this is the second time na nakita ko si Joao because the first time I met him is on my school. Meron kasi silang yung Philippine, ano ba tawag dito? Yung Pinoy Boy Band Superstar that was under my ABS-CBN production way back 2016. So, Mr. Joao and his team visit our school in that time, and then your ninong luckily got a selfie. Nung panahon na hindi ko pa sila literally kilala, usap-usapan daw ng teacher ko, ng mga classmates ko, may artista daw na dadalaw sa aming school. Sana all, no? Hindi nadalaw. So, parang ganon. Ako, basta kung sino makita ko dyan, sige, selfie tayo, maski kilala ko o hindi. Nung time na yun, naka-selfie ko, baka tabi ko pa si Sir Joao that time. Nung ni-research ko, they are celebrity. Pero mas nakilala ko siya kasi meron siyang palabas. Recently lang kay Miss Miles Ocampo, yung Padjak Princess in the TV5. Lagi ko napapanood yung show na yun because it's also tackles about family, and I've watched that show before it bulaga kasi yan. Lagi ko nakikita yun si Joao Constancia, and then I researched that name kasi parang familiar tong tao, like parang looks parang foreigner, no? Parang basta siya, very active siyang celebrity. And then research ko is under pala siya ng Pinoy Boy Band, and I remember that Pinoy Boy Band is the one who visit sa aming school. And then luckily, nakita ko na pala to si Chupa. Katabi ko pa, siya pa mismo yung nakaselfie ko. So in that innocent days, yun pa yung moment na hindi mo alam yung pangyayari. Yun pala yung magbibigay sa'yo ng sparkle. Diba? Kagaya nito ni Tito Lucio Tan na discover natin yung meron sa kanya. And by the way, I've also shared to you yung aking mga naging live experience sa PNB that was in Makati, tsaka yung mga Philippine Airlines yun na airplane na na-discover natin sa NAIA 3 kasi nandun lang yan sa NAIA so nakatambay dun yung mga airplanes niya sa NAIA 1, 2, 3 kaya sa ibang bansa kung saan ka mapunta ibang bansa worldwide na yung Philippine Airlines so you can discover his airplanes in the other parts of the country kasi nga the Filipino heart is flying nila tag team the heart of the Filipino is shining through Philippine Airlines will fly high diba? And then ito PNB na ating na-discover and ayun soon pwede pa natin ma-discover yung iba pa nagsa-simulator na rin tayo kay Lucio Tan hindi lang kay Hendrix so eto na nga po ang next slide. Speaking of Lucio, dahil ang ninong nyo at si Mr. Lucio ay nagsa-anniversa. In other words, ito na po yung exciting part. The first time that I feel blessed to meet this person. Very humble, simple, and happy businessman si Mr. Lucio Tan na ating madi-discover with your ninong's meet up. So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ating next slide, the be the best meet of Ninong and Lucio Tan. Check it out. I'm also good. And it's down. Okay, thank you. So, I am Mr. TC, a Filipino Chinese businessman. I would like to have a business partner with you together with my Snap card of my SM Advantage for every time my customer will upgrade their sales, get discount, they will have a free ride for your Philippine Airlines and a discount for this of my card. So what do you think? Yes, of course, I'm along with you. Thank you.
We start na. Now, the business will start in this 20th century.
Mabuhay. Now you can convert your Smack points to Mabuhay Miles and your Mabuhay Miles to Smack points. Please pay attention to the cabin crew as they show you how. For Mabuhay Miles to Smack, call, convert, shop.
For Smack to Mabuhay Miles,
Click, convert, fly. Shop to fly.
And fly to shop with Smack and Mabuhay Miles.
And is made here. Flying high for the heart of the Philippine Airlines. Si Tito Lucio po. Nasa likod ko. their head chair ng PNP with Sir Adrian, na aking mga boss ng PNP, that they accept me as an applicant and a new vlog department na discover natin is to market and to help the PNP Alliance and to find customer for insurance. So a new opportunity na discover natin and away na rin na magkaroon tayo ng content is to find customers for our PNP. Pa-member na po kayo mga fans. 50 pesos in 1 week, 1.5. 1.5 times 3 months, you have 4.5. And 4.5 times 1 year, you have 1.6 million peso savings. People, yeah. Mamimigay tayo ngayon ng mga flyers. Okay, so you will discover here is the next slide. So
before that, talagang very warm, you know. Nasa SM lang ako. After kong kasi yung aking work. So that was lunchtime. And then, pababa na ako ng mall. Na-discover ko, bumisita doon si Sir Lucio and the family. So, I'm very happy and lucky also. For the first time, na-meet ko yung isa sa mga lodi ko pagdating sa business. Kasi actually, idol ko rin naman yan bukod kay Tito Henry. No? Kasi personally, my mom and dad is personally unang nakaranas nito kasi nag-OFW sila. Siyempre, ilang beses na nila naranasan yung Be the Best Airplane ng bayan, ang Philippine Airlines, na mala hotel daw, libre daw food sa loob. Sana ko. Siyempre, pag nagbayad ka, nandun na yun. Tapos, of course, yung pag-work natin sa PNB Alliance, because we've also been part of the PNB Alliance in the uninstall of your video plan of Sir Donato Sabong. Special shout out Sir Donato, na isa sa mga nagdala sa akin sa PNB Alliance. So, dito ko na-discover yung buong kasangkapan na PNB because of that alliance na may insurance, may life, may emergency, savings, business, lahat na nandyan na sa PNB. And of course, ito, hindi naman ako nagbibisyo. Meron tayo dito yung mga tanway. Actually, alam ko yan. Favorite mga tito-tita ko pag may mga birthday party. And then, ayan, si Fortune. Ito pa ako. I don't know if my lolo pang still alive. He used this, kahit pa paano, cigarette. Ata sa kanya Marlboro. Anyway, baka pang mabanggit kong brand na hindi naman connected. But yun, yung mga business ang meron si Sir. And I know, marami pa sangkap yan kasi na-research natin yan. Sa part 1, balikan mo yung part 1 ng ating vlog dito sa Dragon at ang ating part 2 kasi nandun yung other slides nandun yung other slides ng meron si Mr. Lucio Tan at only Philippine Airlines kasi basically dyan natin siya unang nakilala sa pagpapalipad ng aeroplano. Kakalipad niya, marami na siyang pasalubong sa atin, diba? Ito na yung mga other businesses niya. Okay, dahil part pa rin to ng ating slide, we will have naman your very own Tito Henry and your Tito Lucio. So, ano-ano yung mga connection na meron sila at ano pa yung mga pwede nilang maibigay na service na together silang dalawa. Nasa pagpasok nyo sa SM, pwede nyo ma-discover ang meron si Lucio Tan at kung pagpasok nyo ng PNB, pagpasok nyo ng Philippine Airlines, ano yung pwedeng service na meron doon si Tito Henry. So, you will check it out on our next slide.
I was a ghost, I was alone. 두어진 길 속에 Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives, try to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Caught a problem child, cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. 끝없이 on stage, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe we're going up, 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 it's how we're moving. You know together we're glowing, gonna be golden. Up, up,
whether big or small. Then plan, focus, work hard, and be very determined to achieve your goals. From your heresy, giving the action of business to serve the people and the economy. Thank you also to Mr. Lucitan for having you to the years in my SM. God bless and the family. Entrepreneurs should never give up due to failure. Not just entrepreneurs, but people of whatever profession. All of us should learn from our setbacks. We should never surrender to despair. From your Lucitan, giving you the action of business.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at
Isa pa, special guest. At ito, na-miss ko to at na-miss nating lahat. Lalong-lalo na lagi ko itong kasama sa surplus department store. We will have Baby Harry! Yeah. Baby Harry, halika dito. May papapasa ako sa'yo. Hi, Kuya Denver! Hello to our watchers! Yay! Oh, Baby Harry. Oh, anong meron dito sa SLA na binasa ko a while ago? May idea ka ba tungkol sa SMSLA? Ibig sabihin po niyan, pwede po tayong humiram ng alin? Ng pera. Hindi lang yon, ano pa? Siyempre, services. Yun, very good pala si Baby Harry eh. Not only money that you can borrow in SMSLA, but also the service, the discount, and some of the special offer. Kasi nga, this is accredited member companies within the SM group of companies. So, balang araw, pwede ka dito. Opo. O, kamusta ka na? Vacation nyo na ba? Ay, malapit na rin ang school. Pero bago yan, saan ka nag-vacation? Ako po, nag-vacation ako sa Conrad Hotel. Wow, bongga naman to si Baby Harry. O, kailan ang pasokan niyo sa NU? Mga ano pa po? July. July. Kindergarten ka pa rin? Hindi na po. Grade 3 na po. Wow, yabang. Grade 3 na daw siya. Alam po, grade 1 ka pa lang. Naman po. Kamusang Kuya Christian mo? Okay pa rin po. Pogi pa rin. Parang ako lang. Ay, nako. Kulo-kulo ko talaga to si Betty. Ito, lagi ko tong, kaututang dila ko to lagi. Lagi ko tong kasama sa department store, sa surplus. Na-miss ko to lang pag sa surplus ko. Anyway, maraming salamat. Thank you for visiting here, Baby Harry. At talagang makulit tong batang to eh. Marami tong joke. Ano bang joke mo ngayon, Baby Harry? Baka may baon ka. Joke ko? Knock-knock. Knock-knock. Anong knock-knock mo? SM. Dinamay pati ito, Henry nyo. O sige, SM. SM po. Here at SM, we've got it all for you. Ay, nako. Doon ka na, Baby Harry. Pumunta ka na sa bahay nyo. Loko-loko talaga tong batang to eh. Anyway, yun po si Baby Harry, ang ating isa sa mga AI character ng ating NTV Corporation, kapatid ni Christian. Buti na, hindi nagmana si Christian dito nung bata. No?
Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
Okay, yung just discover Hennessy and Lucian businesses. So, nakita naman natin yung mga ongoing service nila. So, meron pa rin tayo dito yung Mabuhay Miles sa Smack Card. So, if you have your Smack Card, may chance kang lumipad. Libre. O, yan, take note ha. Libre ang paglipad, or it can be have a discounted kapag ka marami ka ng points yan sa smart card mo, pwede mo siyang magamit for discount, for free airplane ride. Oo, hindi biro yung mga ganyan kasi it will cost you up 10k up to 100k pagka makalipad ka sa isang aeroplano. But here, take note, may libre. Diba? Dahil yan kay Tito Enrio at kay Tito Lucio Tan na nagsanib pwersa para paglingkuran ang taong bayan at sa mga nangangarap lumipad. It's free. Diba? Pwede na rin ako sumama. Gusto ko pumunta ng Singapore. Diba? Ayan, sasakay na tayo kay Tito Lucio ng kanyang Philippine Airlines. At ayan, meron din tayong mga tanway sa kanyang mga supermarket and the PNB banks as well. Yung mga withdraw, mga dugtong. Okay, so a while ago, on my walking time dito sa SMOA, meron ako na-meet kanina na stranger. Ito simple lang naman siya, naka long sleeve na lalaki, foreigner siya actually. Isa siyang taga Switzerland yung lalaki, foreigner siya actually. Lumapit sa akin, nangangailangan ng tulong kasi parang siya 1, 2, 3 siya ng tropa niya like nagkita sila sa isang hotel, tapos parang I think hindi lang tropa kasama pa yata yung jowa niya or tropa niya, siguro ka-business to. Parang nagkaroon ng 1, 2, 3. Parang ano ba yung 1, 2, 3 na yun? Yung like magkikita sila sa isang lugar, tapos hindi pala natuloy. So ano nangyari kay kuya? Walang pamasahe tuloy, walang pangkain. Or siguro may pangkain man siya pero pamasahe papunta, wala. Taga Subic pa yung foreigner na yan. Sabi ko, naku, kawawa naman. Pag-usap sa akin English, sir, I need a help because this is something emergency important that I've been lost in the middle, no? Because that person, my friend, is talagang pinagmumura niya pa, that FU person, that FU letter B. Alam mo yung B pagka nag-swimming tayo pag summer. Oo, parang gano'n. Iniwan daw siya sa area. So, minsan may mga ganyan yung halimbawa, kamit mo, imimit ka or meron kang a-applyan pero sarado pala. Scam, parang in-scam si kuya na ang meeting place nila dito pero nung pinuntahan niya, hindi natuloy. So, ano nangyari kay kuya? Wala siyang pamasahe pabalik kasi inaasahan niya yung friend niyang yun, ililibre siya. Kaya nga siya pumunta doon kasi sa Subic pa yung resting place niya sa hotel. And then, magta-travel pa siya sa Switzerland. So, kawawa naman ang share sa akin. Siyempre, ako, wala man akong ganung kalaking kahalaga kasi humingi sa akin ng pang-bus. Wala dito hanggang Subic daw, it will cost 360 pesos. Ay siya, ako po. Dito ka na lang lumapit kay Tito Lucio po. Okay, Tito Rightry po. By the way, syempre, sino ba naman ako para hindi tumulong? Hindi man ganun kalaki yung maitutulong ko para makauwi siya sa kanyang bayan at sa kanyang tinutuloyan dito sa Pilipinas. Kung ano po yung meron ako at galing sa aking busilang, isinare ko sa kanya. Diba? Isinare ko kay Sir Michael. Ayan, special shout out Sir Michael. So, nadaanan ko kanina dyan sa hallway ng mall area. Kawawa naman. Talaga parang walang-wala talaga siya Maski nga parang wala na siyang gamit. Pati gamit niya parang dinekwat ng ano niya So, parang siguro nagkita sila pero parang na 1, 2, 3 nga siya Parang biglang nawala yung kakamit niya. Diba? Parang gano'n. So, nagbigay ako ng konti tulong para kahit pa paano madugtungan natin yung kanyang pagpapauwi. You know, minsan mahirap din yan ha. Yung isang tao na may kamit dapat na tao pero hindi natuloy, tapos ang mahal ng binayaran sa taxi. Ang pera niya naubos dahil sa taxi. Especially pag ang taxi, maraming manloloko diyan. Ayun. Wala na, kalahati na lang natira sa pera niya. Hindi niya alam kung makakauwi pa siya ng bahay. Kasi yung friend niya, na 1, 2, 3 siya, sabi darating tapos hindi natuloy. So, si Sir Michael natulungan ko. And sabi ko, Sir, this is for you. Don't pay me back. It's yours now. I just pray for your safety, Sir Michael. And God bless you, sir. Ayun, napag-God bless din siya after niya magmura-mura. Siyempre, part of the discipline. Ikaw ba naman, lokohin ka magagalit ka talaga, ma-high blood ka talaga. Siyempre, part lang naman ng galit niya yun, na pinupukol niya dun sa taong nang loko sa kanya. Pero still, mabait pa ni Sir Michael. Yun, sabi sa akin, God bless, sir. God bless, Sir Denver. I will pray for you also. And thank you. Ayun. So, thank you rin kay Sir Michael. And ayun, sabi ko, wag yun na po akong bayan. Don't pay me back. It's yours now. Kasi, sabi nga sa Bible, ang nagbibigay ng masaya kalugod-lugod sa Diyos. Corinthians 9:7. Magbigay ka na ng masaya, huwag ka na mag-isip ng kapalit. Diba? At yan ang ating next slide for this vlog. CSR. Diba? Pag alam nyo na, pag ako nagsasalita ng ganito, CSR naman ang next slide natin. Ano ang CSR na pwedeng gawin ni Sir Lucio at ni Sir Henry sa kanilang mga business sa ating naging pagtalakay collaboration? As we will bless from the Lord in Jesus, let's also bless and to help others. You will, Jegra. Okay, thank you for watching and
pagkakaisa sa bayang pinagpala ng isang buklod ng pag-ibig na dakila. Aral ni Kristo'y ibinabandila. Kristiyano ako, Kristiyano tayo, pagmamahalan natin ang patunay ito. Ang ating lahat ng katotohanan, pagsampangan ang lahi ng mga hinilang. Ang bayang masikap sa mabubuting gawa, Diyos
Jig and God bless all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating simpleng video vlog na ang Dragon at ang Agila Part 2. Studying Henry
as long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. King of Philippine Business.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading project. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsasama ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan ito ng disiplina. Good credit sa hard work. Sumuko na! Madami na ako laban na inarap. Ultimo gyera!
Philippine Business.